In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put affiliate links on your Wix website. Adding affiliate links is a great way to monetize your site, allowing you to earn commissions on products and services you recommend. We'll walk through two simple methods to get your links up and running. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Once you're in, navigate over to your website editor. It's here where all the magic happens, allowing you to customize your site just the way you like it. Let's start with the first method for adding an affiliate link. Begin by copying your affiliate link from wherever you have it stored. This could be your affiliate dashboard, an email, or a document where you keep your links organized. With your link at hand, head to your website editor. On the left side of the screen, you should see an option that says Add Element. Click on it. This feature allows you to enhance your website with various components such as text, images, videos, and more. We're going to focus on adding text. Once you're in the Add Element section, select Text. From there, choose Theme Text, and then click on I'm a Paragraph. Now that you've added a text element, it's time to pop in your affiliate link. Click on your new text box and select Edit Text. Here, you'll see an option for link. Clicking this will bring up several linking options. You'll want to choose Web Address. Now go ahead and paste your copied affiliate link into the designated area. And voila, your first link is ready to go. Let's move on to the second method, which might be even more simplified for those who prefer using apps. Start by clicking on Apps or Add Apps from the side menu in the editor. Wix offers a wide array of apps that can enhance functionality, and luckily, some of these are specifically geared towards affiliates. In the search bar, type in Affiliate. Browse through the options that come up, looking for an app that matches your affiliate program. Once you find it, add it to your site. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the app setup, which might include connecting your affiliate account or customizing the appearance. And that's how you integrate affiliate links into your Wix website. Whether you choose to use text elements or an app, both methods are effective and can help turn your website into a revenue-generating platform. Before we wrap up, if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on enhancing your online presence. Thanks for tuning in, and happy linking.